Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic dessert peach cobbler in the Instant Pot. This is super easy and yummy dessert. It takes only 30 minutes to make from start to end. It's made with fresh or canned peaches, so you can enjoy it all year round. It's heaven to eat the peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream. Check the description for homemade vanilla ice cream. Please feel free to halve the recipe, but there will be no changes in cooking time. Peach cobbler is best enjoyed warm. Store leftover cobbler covered in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Peel the skin and slice the peaches. You can also use the peaches with the skin for this dessert. The easiest way to peel peaches is to gently drop peaches into a pot of boiling water, leave them in 30 seconds and then remove them to an ice water bath and peel the skin. Keep the chopped peaches aside. Next step is to prepare the crust mix. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. I'm going to use boxed cake mix. You can use a white or yellow cake mix. I personally like vanilla. In a bowl, add cake mix, oats. Adding oats is optional. I like the texture while eating. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix. Add melted butter and mix it thoroughly. I didn't melt butter completely. The crust mix is ready. Let's keep it aside. Next step is to prepare filling. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. We are going to do peach cobbler in a pot and pot method. I'm using this steel stackable pot. I have given the link for this in the description box below. Add ginger powder. It gives a nice kick to the cobbler. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon. If you like cinnamon, you can add up to 1 teaspoon. Add nutmeg powder and brown sugar. You can also add white sugar instead of brown sugar. If you are using canned peaches, take only 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. Give it a nice mix and spread the peaches. This is perfect. Now let's layer it with the prepared cake mix. Spread it gently. It's ready now. Let's wrap the pan with the aluminium foil. Add 1 cup of water to the inner pot. Place the pan in the trivet. Keep it inside carefully and close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Select high pressure manual or pressure cook and set the time for 15 minutes and just walk away. After done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes and then release the remaining pressure. Open the lid carefully. Use mittens to take out the trivet. Let's open and see. Wow, it's perfectly cooked. You can serve it as it is, but I'm going to broil it for a couple of minutes in my air fryer. You can use the oven also. Wow, look at this beautiful peach cobbler is ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with vanilla ice cream on top or whipped cream. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.